You should kindly request to refer the court to case number SCCC 37-2024. Your Worship, request to proceed placing appearance on record.
Thank you.
Your Worship, today the 1st day of November 2024, and this is the Specialized Commercial Crimes Court, Johannesburg. It is sitting at Pambridge Court number 10, case number SCCC 37-2024. Presiding officer, Mr. Fender, prosecutor, Mr. Mokhachabe. There's no need for an interpreter, as both accused are English conversant. The appeal in respect of accused number 1, it is Mr. Small-Smith. In respect of accused 2, it is Mr. Majavi, Your Worship. Your Worship, the matter was remanded to today for the outcome of the DPP's decision, Your Worship, in respect of the representations made by both accused 1 and accused 2, Your Worship. Your Worship, the decision has been made by the DPP, and Your Worship will note that attached to today's appearances is the correspondence from the Deputy Director in Gauteng, Advocate Chauke, Your Worship, dated the 31st of October 2024. And the decision, Your Worship, is that the charges against both accused should then be withdrawn. As a result, the state is withdrawing the charges against both accused.
Mr. Small-Smith, anything to say?
I have nothing to add, Your Worship. Thank you.
Mr. Majavi?
Your Worship, just with the court's permission, I just need to do one collegial act. Your Worship would appreciate that on the previous occasions, I, on behalf of my client, lamented the delays and the resultant prejudice. And in fairness to my colleagues from the DPP's office, as well as Advocate Mokhachabe, they kept their word in assuring us that a decision, one or the other, would be made on or by no later than today, I beg your pardon. And it is for that reason that I need to recognize that on record it is the right thing to do, is collegial. Even if the decision had not gone our way, I would have still made this submission in recognizing them, because at least would be one step closer to setting a trial date. And other than that, Your Worship, we welcome the decision, and I think it's about time for my client to pick up the pieces and rebuild his life. I'm indebted to the court, Your Worship.
Thank you, Mr. Majavi.
As you know now, I will resume my responsibility in the African National Congress. I also do want to thank the leadership of the ANC, many post and current, who continue to express their support. They do so because in the African National Congress, we do not celebrate when one of us is going through difficulties and challenges. We show and give solidarity and support. Many of them called. The very first day I appeared, I got a visit from the leadership of the Youth League, as led by its president, as well as its Secretary General, Nkandla, as well as Malachi. Many calls that followed after that. They give you strength, because to be here you can feel lonely. You can only rely on your family, your wife, your children. We've been very strong pillar of my support. But one of the calls that gave me real strength was a call from the former president, Nkandla, who said in his own words, "Ukholwe," because the ANC is a caring organization. When one of us is going through difficulties, we express that solidarity. And I do want to express my sincere gratitude to the leaders of the ANC. I do want to express my gratitude to many people of cloth who were praying in churches from holy mountains, indaba ezingcwele. Many of them continue to say in their prayers, "Wenzeni uZizi." And one of them once said, "This is not your war. God will fight for you." And that has been a guiding pillar for me from this bishop, that this is not your war, God will fight for you. And God has answered their prayers. So I'm really grateful that I'm now talking to you as a free man. I'm already resuming my responsibility. My first responsibility now is to make sure that I align myself with the activities of the ANC. I've already answered someone who was asking, what now do you do? I'm in the job market, I'm available. I can be a journalist, I can apply to SABC, I can apply to anywhere. So I'm in the job market, as you know that I'm unemployed. Thank you very much.